all blacked out. That is really nice. Take a look at the inside real quick. For being a Kia Optima, two-tone leather interior, 2 sunroofs. Yeah, this is actually a really nice car. It's come a long way. They have them working on that Porsche and some of the other ones they have here. Alright, time to head up front. Okay, here is that Maserati truck. And the one thing I wanted to show you guys... You guys shut it on me. They shut it on me. Not done. Unlock it again. I mean, this is kind of like the other one, the blue one, but this one, you guys have seen it before. Just love this interior. Now I'm going to show you what's under the hood. You're going to hear people talking, so... Nice Maserati with a Ferrari motor that's stuffed in it. Look at that. V8 carbon fiber piece on the top. Man, look at this. Yeah, really packed this motor in good. Maybe we'll get a thumbnail out of this. Alright, I got a few more new ones in here. But now they had this Porsche. It's like a really dark... It's a crossover between like a root beer brown with a... I don't know what you want to see with it. It's like a really, really dark brown. Cayenne GTS. This is nice.
Tires are tires.
Here's the inside. Gray leather interior. Nice interior. Top part lights up there. Nice gray leather interior. Let's squeeze in this. 25,000 miles. I'll let you guys know the year in a minute here. Just kind of taking this all in. Navigation. More buttons I didn't know what to do with. It's a sharp looking truck. Oh, I'm sorry, let me correct it. SUV. There's a button. There we go. Yeah, this truck is SUV is Porsche. We'll just call it that. Very nice and clean. I mean, even the mats are. Here's the driver's side one, so you can see whoever owned it took care of it. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. And back up here and let it shut. And the DB9, this is still here. Here's a nice big Audi. Oh yeah, like I forgot to find the year on this Porsche. So, let me see what we have. 2014. There's the numbers on it. Alright. No. Some RS7. Yeah, this one wasn't here before. Alright. I gotta squeeze in between this. Get the wing that lifts up in the back. That's pretty cool. Exhaust on this.
You want to drive the, you want to sell the 18,000 mile one, right? You want to sell the 69?
Squeeze around the other side here. Yeah, you're gonna hear the guys talking. They're conducting business like usual. This car, it's a big car. You got to squeeze in between this car and a bike. Take a look at the inside. Like honeycomb style stitching. Look at that interior. It's colored black on black. It's gorgeous. Actually, used to be here was a Challenger, which they must have sold because it is no longer here. Get in it. This is the part I love when you get to sit in the front seat. See what year she is. This is a 2018. I'm sure it has hardly anything on it for miles. Actually, if I open the door and shut it. Yep, there you go. 8,322 miles on it. That's it. This car is still new. This car is really nice. Wow. It's comfortable steering wheel. Look at this. This guy's a little flat spot in the bottom of it. Paddle shifter. Yeah, this is definitely a nice car. I'm sure it's fast too. And like I said, if you see any of them that you like, go on sascars.com and you'll be able to find them there. And if you find one you like, you plan on buying it, tell them Pat sent you. Might help you out a little bit. Also, don't forget too is that they will ship these cars anywhere in the United States, and they will ship them into Canada. Out of the country, I'm sure they do. You will have to consult them for that. And this BMW, this one was here before. But here is a brand new